Hey everyone! Today, Woyu is bringing you a review of the Antminer T21 mining machines. Follow me to learn more about it. The net weight is approximately 17.2 kilograms and gross weight about 19.3 kilograms. Antminer T21 supports SHA-256D algorithm, which can mine Bitcoin cryptocurrency, and in normal mode, the arithmetic power is 190 TH/s, the power is 3610 watt, the parameters are very excellent. After powering on the Antminer T21, in overclocking mode, the actual arithmetic power of the Antminer T21 is 238 TH/s and the power consumption is 3940 watt. How to set up the miner for working normally. Download the Mining Machine Bulk Management tool, click on Mining Pool Services, click on Tools Software, scroll down to find the BTC Mining Machine Bulk tool, click on it to download and unzip it. Open the Management tool, click on Scanning, you can find the currently connected mining machine, you can set the mining address, miner name and working mode in the tool software, batch for all currently connected mining machines. The mining address and miner name can also be configured by entering a single mining machine. How to get the mining address, open the URL, register and log into your account, the coin choice is BTC, scroll down to find the mining address. After miner running for about 10 minutes, the miner settings interface will show all the data, including hash rate, income and so on. Based on an BTC price of $66,105.19 and a mining difficulty of 83.95 T on March 22, 2024, the daily earnings of the Antminer T21 190T miner are approximately $19.76. The above calculations are for reference only. Actual earnings will be influenced by the following factors. Summary: the Antminer T21 190T miner is a powerful miner with lower power consumption. Comparing with the Ant-S21 miner, the T21 has higher power consumption, but the selling price is also cheaper, which makes the T21 190T miner even more advantageous in the areas where the unit price of electricity is lower. The miner supports Bitcoin mining and is suitable for long-term use in large-scale mining farms. By miner to Woyu. Make mining easier. For more details, please visit the official website of Woyu.